For over 25 years, STid has manufactured, developed, and designed technology of access control readers, bringing innovative, flexible, and modular-based readers to the access control industry. Today, we are here at ISC West, booth 5007, and today I'm going to give you a brief overview of what access control readers are through STid. So let me give you a brief overview. Access control readers by STid are called the Architect Series and Architect Blue Series. Architect Blue for Bluetooth reader technologies. We offer a robust, unique, modular-based access control reader that accommodates the need of the end customer and not the need of the manufacturer. Let's talk about what that means. Let's take the mullion base reader itself. This tiny little reader is the Architect 1. By default, the reader is MIFARE NXP ready, meaning it can read MIFARE DeskFire, EV1, EV2, EV3, MIFARE Classic, MIFARE Plus, MIFARE Ultralight, can be installed in any type of installation as far as mullion, metal, drywall, okay? And this is our most popular reader. Now, when we talk about modular base, I'm gonna bring you around the table and I'm gonna explain to you why it's modular base by design. Our three main core units in the Architect line is the Architect A, which is our standard reader, the Architect B, which is our keypad reader, and the Architect C. The Architect C has a scrambled keypad already enabled into it. By default, all of the readers will read the MIFARE NXP series. Again, but we can enable Bluetooth and NFC features using STid Mobile ID, which is our mobile credential both for Android and iOS. One of the great things that STid can offer is a free mobile credential that comes with the app. By presenting the phone to the reader, it grants you access. The readers can interface with any access control panel in the industry via WEGAN, serial communication, and also support protocols such as OSDP and SSCP. Let me bring you along so you can see what the modular-based continuity is. So, let's say you have a project, and that project requires a QR code, barcode, data matrix, or ASTIC. The only thing you would have to do with an STid reader is purchase the module of the reader itself, attach it to the top of the reader, and you now have a reader that reads both QR code, barcode, ASTIC, and data matrix, in addition to Bluetooth, NFC, and the MIFARE NXP series. But let's talk about migration, because migration is something that happens a lot here in the United States when we're talking about migrating from a prox technology or a legacy technology to a more secure MIFARE or Bluetooth NFC credential. For that specific reason, STid has developed the SE8M module. This small module attaches to the top of any of our core units. This module enables the reader now to be able to read EM format, HID prox, AWID, Cantic IO prox, and Indala, making it a true multi-technology reader ready to be installed for migration purposes across all levels and all verticals in our market. In addition to the Architect series, we also have our UHF readers. Part of that UHF reader series is a Spectre and Spectre Nano. So I'm gonna come around and take you over to the Spectre Nano and give you a brief overview of what it can do. Spectre Nano is the only multi-technology Bluetooth and UHF reader in the industry, compact by design. The tiny reader itself is designed for indoor and outdoor purposes, can withstand minus 22 degrees Celsius and up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a robust, unique, multi-technology reader that reads a UHF passive tag up to 20 feet in reading distance, adjustable, and a Bluetooth mobile credential by STid Mobile ID up to 65 feet in reading distance, adjustable by reading range. This is a great way for you to be able to link both vehicle and driver as a single access control point from your access control system. In addition to the Spectre Nano, we have the Spectre series, which is the first UHF scalable long-range reader in the industry. Let me tell you about the Spectre. The Spectre by design is a single reader that is scalable by design and can control up to 4 lanes by adding an additional 3 antennas to the Spectre unit itself. By default, the Spectre unit can read up to 45 feet in reading distance with a UHF passive tag. And by adding the 3 antennas, you can now control 4 different lanes. This is just a small portion of what the access control STid line can offer you. In addition to this, we also have the industrial portion of our side. When it comes to the industrial portion, STid offers an explosive-proof, bomb-proof reader called the ATEX line, which is a certified series. The ATEX line is a fully encased metal reader that weighs about 65 pounds. This reader is designed specifically for bomb explosive-proof sites such as refineries, power plants, electrical sites, government facilities. This is a small portion of what we can do. I would love to have the time to give you additional information on what our solution can offer. And for more information, you can always go to STid.com. My name is Frederick Trujillo, Director of Operations for STid North America. For more questions, again, please contact STid at STid.com or orders at STid.com or www.stid.com. Thank you.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.